The next one, they say the varsity provides meals and snacks on credit to several students. Notification is received from the attorneys of the student residence to one of the varsity's biggest debtors. Student residence 2 has been placed in liquidation and then will pay 5 cents in the rent. The student residence 2 has an outstanding balance of how much? Of
So basically,
600 on the day of this notification.
So basically, this is the question that threw me off. I know in the exam.
This one, eh?
This one was a
can you see? I know the reason why is because they put too much unnecessary information here. That's why. Are we okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just trying to see how you're gonna make this make sense to me.
No problem. Let's analyze this one. So here, in a way, it's like one of the students who bought on credit was insolvent, was unable to pay back.
Yeah.
Can you see now? She only managed to pay back 25 cents. 25 cents is the same as 25%.
Oh, okay. I never knew that. I just thought made 25 cents. Like.
Yes, it's the same thing. So out of this 38,600, the student managed to pay only 25%.
5% of the 38,600.
That's true. Meaning remaining 75%.
Wait, so you just have to figure out what was the remaining amount?
Yeah, because at the end of the day, if it's 25% there, the maximum percentage is 100%. So 100 minus 25, meaning 75%, we did not collect.
Okay, frick Sylvester, they got me because I know how to do that. They put too much information for me there, like you said.
I know.
No, because you just have to say it was 75% of that 38,600, or you could just say 38,600 times 100 over 25. You get that amount, and you're going to subtract it with 38,600.
Yes, I think it will work. Yeah, I think that it will work the same.
Yeah, never mind. Okay. Yeah.
So, firstly, what they are saying, they want you to prepare a general journal for cash. Usually, we don't.
Sorry, Sylvester? You there?
We don't cash in the general, as well as the amount written off.
Sylvester, I lost you there for a bit.
So usually when they ask you for the general journal, we don't record cash in the GJ.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
They want us to record the cash received in the GJ and the amount written off. The cash received that they want us to record, they're referring to that 25%. Okay?
Yeah.
And the written off is how many percent?
75.
Yes, they want us to record these entries in the GJ separately.
Okay, but can you show me how we'll do that? Like.
Yeah, we're doing it. Don't worry, we're analyzing now. We're doing it.
Okay, I understand. Sorry, I thought you were just like talking how we're gonna do it.
Never. I'll never do that unless when
I need to.
Stop it.
No, I was gonna say, Sylvester, I need a picture of it.
Yes. This is the general journal, eh?
Yeah.
You know, I like writing, so unless if you say I don't write. So for me in accounting, I prefer writing down.
I wish you were like our other lecturer. He just likes to scan the thing.
No, that's why
Use a
students want to
projector.
see. They want to see. They want to see.
No, but he uses a projector. I'm not a projector type of person. I need somebody writing.
Yeah, projector can use it for maybe introducing a topic, and thereafter for me, when we have to calculate, we need to put it up.
No, but he thought I was supposed to do calculations on the projector.
No, that's why they will complain, students. Okay, let me know if you are ready.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you.
I'm ready. I'm ready, Sylvester.
Problem. Let me just do this. Now, we are going to analyze first. You know, you and I, we always analyze. We don't do things directly. We don't change.
Yeah.
Firstly, let's focus on the cash we received. Let me ask you a
Okay.
question. When you receive cash from someone who
You're gonna
owes you, what are the two accounts involved?
So if you receive some, sorry, repeat what you
If you,
said
rec-
there.
if you receive cash from someone
Yeah.
who owes you, what do you think can be the
Um,
two accounts?
It could be a credit loss.
No, no, no. We're not talking about the one that we lost. We're talking about the one that we received. You received cash. Give me the accounts.
What's that account?
Okay, where do we put cash? Which account do we normally
We
record
put
cash?
we put in bank.
The bank. So the first account is bank. Can you see me?
Yeah.
It's because I'm recording the amount that I received. So bank is involved. But
Yeah.
where did I get this cash from? Who gave me the cash?
Uh,
From this information?
the student residence.
Student resident. So this student
Yeah.
is owing me. So what is the account for the student? Because the student is owing me. Which account must I open for the student? Someone who owes me, what do we call them?
I can't remember the things of this. I know what you're talking about. I don't know the name. Yeah, debtors control.
Yes, debtors control. You see, it is important. So the two accounts are bank because I'm receiving cash, and the other account is debtors because I'm receiving a money from my debtor, someone who owes me.
Yeah. So when you put the bank and the debtors, like, so the bank surely will be on the debit side, hey?
Yes, because you are receiving cash.
Yeah, and then the debtors control will be credit.
Perfect. So already I'm gonna come in because you gave me the figure, you gave me the account. I'm gonna start. Remember the one that you record must come first. Like the one that you debited must come first.
Yeah, so we bank because it's on the debit side.
Yeah. Someone can ask and say, okay, where is VAT? Because they did mention that there's a 15% VAT. Remember, we don't calculate
Yeah, but it's
VAT on
including
cash.
that, isn't it?
Yeah, come again?
But it's including that, is it not?
Yeah, I include VAT, but we're okay. Most of the time,
Oh,
we're
I see what
supposed
you
to
mean.
calculate.
I see what you're saying, Sylvester. So you have to get rid of the VAT so you could put the normal amount in with bank, and then the VAT will be the 15%.
No, but here we cannot have VAT here. Remember, when we dealt with the subsidiary journals, we said we don't calculate VAT on the payments of account. Remember, I did give you that statement. We don't calculate VAT on the payments of accounts.
Yeah.
So if someone is paying you and you are paying someone, we don't calculate VAT. So cash, when you see bank here, and someone is paying you, do not calculate VAT. The two accounts will only be what? Bank and debtors. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that makes sense, Sylvester.
Yes. So we just have to find the 25% of that amount. What is the 25%?
So hold on. Here. It's 9,650.
9,650. That is the amount that we received, the amount that I'm going to record here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. They said the one narrations here. Ne? What can you say?
Yeah. That's my problem. I'm bad with narrations.
So we can just say whatever makes sense. We just say cash received from the debtor.
Okay.
That's the narration.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I got that. Then you need to figure
So
out the
now we
70.
focus on, yes. Now we focus on the 75 and then so that we can know how much is written off. How much is the difference between the two? I think it's 2.8, ne?
Oh, you
90.
say just 30,600 minus the 9,650.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, you're correct.
Yeah.
So wouldn't there also be another account for bank or no?
No, we must no when we must check this. Okay, this 28,950 has been written off. We need to decide on the accounts that we're gonna have.
We're gonna have to decide on the accounts.
Yes. Which accounts do we have?
Uh, but
When you
isn't
write
bank
off and
still?
then no, the bank is not there because this is not cash. Remember, this amount is not cash.
Oh yeah, sorry. So then it'll be creditors control.
Not creditors, the other one.
Debtors control. Sorry.
Debtors control. What is the other account?
Um,
The word written off must give you an account. Written off. What is the account for written off?
credit losses.
Yes. And there's a VAT implication. Which VAT?
It's gonna be an output VAT.
The input VAT. Because
Wait,
you are
why
not
the
selling
input VAT?
now. Remember, you are not
But you
selling.
also.
You are writing off.
Oh, the
So when you write if you say output, it means you are selling to the debtor. We are not selling to them. It's like you are reversing the sale. You say input VAT.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay,
now we
and then
must
the main
decide
account.
which one is debit. Yes, the main account.
So with the main account, should I know this might be sounding a bit crazy, but is it not the debtors control that's the main account?
You are correct. This is the main account, debtors control. The main account.
Yeah, so you put 28,690.50 on the debit side on debtors, don't you?
Why debit side?
Because the debtors
Remember this.
control always. Oh,
Is
they're
it
minus.
increasing or decreasing? Is it increasing or decreasing? Yes, I agree with you with the rules. You must check the adjustment or here and check if this 28,950 will it increase debtors or decrease debtors? Am I going to have more debtors or less debtors?
Okay.
Which one?
You're gonna have
Less,
it. You're gonna have it on the credit side.
because the debtors are going
Down.
because you are writing them off, you are canceling them. So if you cancel debtors, debtors go down, and obviously they go down on the rules.
Yeah.
If they were going up, yes, I will agree with you. I'll say debit because it means we have got more debtors.
Yeah. Then
What
credit
about
losses.
up or down?
It's I think it's going up.
Yes, because we have got more expenses,
Yeah.
and obviously,
That means it's gonna be on the debit side.
what about input VAT assets? Up or down?
It's gonna go up
Up. Under which side?
onto the debit side.
Can you see? So please, if you struggle to do this, it will help you a lot. Ask yourself questions, check the movements and everything.
Yeah.
So now you will advise me how to approach it here when I record it.
Well, you first have to put the debtors control
Why?
because it's the main account.
No. We don't put the account because it's the main account. There must be a reason why we start with it. What is the reason? Why do we decide how do we decide which account to start with? It's not because it's the main.
Oh, okay. Maybe. Okay, I could be wrong still, but then should it not be then the credit losses first because you always do the debit stuff first, don't you?
Yeah, you must always do the debit account first. Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, then you're gonna
And then you're gonna have
have input that.
yes.
Then you're gonna have credit losses. Debtors control.
And you
Okay,
told
so
me already
debtors control
how
is
much?
definitely going to be on 28,950.
Yes.
Okay, and then input that's going to be one, would still not be 1%, or would you still have to say 15?
Come again?
For input VAT, would you take away the 15% or
Yeah, how
1%?
much is VAT? What is why we can't use 1%? VAT is not 1%. VAT is
No,
15.
but I know,
Check.
input VAT you claim the money for 1%. So I want to know, do you do that here or no?
No. 1% is only for UIF and yeah, SCL there.
Okay, so then it'll be 15% of the 28,950. Correct?
15%.
Yeah, 1.5.
1.5 over what? Over 100.
Yeah.
But
I'm
this
trying to say
amount is
15. I'm trying to say 15 divided by 100 times the 28,950.
okay. So let me write it down. So this one is gonna be 15 divided by 115. You agree with me?
Yes, because it's including that.
Yes.
You times it with the 28,950.
Hmm. How much?
3776. And then must I
Point.
round off to the nearest
I,
decimal?
they said, let's see, they didn't say anything about the decimals, but let's just use the decimals for now.
Okay, comma
Point 09.
09.
Yes.
Then you just say 28,950 minus that number to get the credit losses.
Yes.
Okay, so 28. 3776. It'll be 25
Mm-hmm.
173
Mm-hmm.
comma 91.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, we can go to the next question, Sylvester.
No problem.